The National Policy of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship 2015 has laid impetus on quality assurance in skilling. One of the critical quality control factors is the supply of high caliber trainers and assessors. National Skill Development Corporation (NSDC) has identified the need to provide training, assessment and certification to eligible trainers and assessors through Training of Trainer (TOT) or Training of Assessor (TOA) programs. The guidelines that govern the TOT and TOA programs are available on the Skill India portal. These guidelines lay down the framework for TOT and TOA and were developed by NSDC in consultation with relevant stakeholders from industries, experts from various government and non-government institutions, and other national and international stakeholders. All TOT-TOA programs are conducted by awarding bodies or sector skill councils and consist of both domain skills, that is sector-specific domain competency, as well as platform skills, which includes training delivery for trainers and assessment skills for assessors. Trainers and assessors are eligible to appear for the program if they meet the required academic and professional eligibility criteria specified on the guidelines page as indicated in the screenshot. Fresh trainers and assessors may appear for a complete TOT-TOA program spanning a minimum duration of 10 days, as indicated on the left-hand side of the screen. Existing or experienced trainers and assessors may appear directly for TOT-TOA program assessments spanning 1 to 2 days as per the program structure on the right-hand side. To become eligible for the existing trainer-assessor programs, trainers need to have at least 500 hours of prior training delivery experience, and assessors are required to have prior experience of assessing at least 100 students over and above the required eligibility criteria for the job role. In addition, trainers and assessors who have successfully earned a basic certification can also appear for the advanced certification program, which has a lifetime certification validity. The entire life cycle of training, assessment and certification under TOT and TOA is captured on the Skill India portal. This video intends to provide a stepwise walkthrough for aspiring trainers and assessors from registration to certification. It will include 4 steps: login and registration, raising a training request, applying and appearing for a TOT-TOA badge, downloading marks and certificates. First, navigate to the Skill India portal and click on the Login tab on the top right corner. The Skill India portal has the URL that is mentioned on the screen. If you are an existing user, please put in your user ID and password to enter the portal. If you know your user ID but have misplaced your password, you may click on Forgot Password on the bottom right. An OTP shall be triggered to your registered mobile number and email address. Once you have put in the OTP, you shall be able to reset your password. If you are a new user, please scroll down and click on the Register Now button. You shall be directed to the registration page. Please choose the appropriate user type. Input your name as it is spelled in your Aadhaar and your personal email address and mobile number. On clicking the register button, an OTP will be triggered to your mobile number and email address. Please enter the OTP correctly. You will then be navigated to the following screen. Your username and temporary password have been sent to the registered email address. You will be able to use this information to log in. During the first login, you will be able to reset your password. Once this step is completed, you will be able to start filling in your profile information. Please fill all the details marked as required with the red asterisk. Your name, gender and birth date should be as per your Aadhaar. Only one profile can be registered to a single Aadhaar number. The form shall ask for personal information, contact and address details, education and work details, resume, training requests and associations. Please fill the education, industry, and training experience details accurately while submitting your profile, since you will not be able to delete these later. You can, however, add new entries at a later point in time. The educational and professional qualifications entered will be evaluated by the awarding body and Sector Skill Council and should match the eligibility criteria of the job role for which you wish to become certified as a trainer or assessor. Once all the details have been filled in, please submit your profile. You will be auto-directed to a page with a pop-up message. What would you like to do? Containing two options. Please select the appropriate option. If you select the first option, that is, registering for certification mandated schemes, you will be asked whether you wish to undergo TOT-TOA or if you have already undergone TOT-TOA and wish to apply for or view your certification. Please choose the appropriate option. Once you have submitted your profile, you will be able to view the TOT-TOA dashboard. For all action related to TOT-TOA, ensure that you are viewing the applicant dashboard on the top left. You can view all your approved certificates by navigating to the View Certificates tab. If you wish to undergo a TOT-TOA, you need to raise a training request in the respective job role. To do this, navigate to the dashboard and click on Search and Apply on the bottom left. You will be able to view existing training requests and batches that you have enrolled in. Click on Add Training Request to add a new training request. You will be asked to indicate your preferred job role and training location. Please ensure you raise a training request for a job role for which you are eligible to be a trainer or assessor. Once the training request has been submitted, the status will show as pending. The training request is now with the Sector Skill Council or awarding body. The Sector Skill Council or awarding body will view your profile details, check your eligibility, and accordingly act on your training request. Once an action has been taken, you will receive an email indicating the action taken. If your training request is rejected, you may please view the reason mentioned by the Sector Skill Council or awarding body. If your training request is approved, congratulations, you shall now be eligible to appear for a TOT-TOA batch. Upon approval, the status against the training request will show as awaiting batch enrollment. You may navigate to the training calendar on the Takshashila portal to view upcoming TOT and TOA batches. Scroll through the programs to identify relevant programs for you. Please note that you shall only be able to apply to batches with the job role for which the training request has been approved. In the scenario that there is no batch scheduled for the job role in which you wish to undergo a TOT-TOA, you may reach out to the Sector Skill Council or awarding body via email. The email addresses of all awarding bodies and SSCs are available in the Contact Details tab on the public training calendar. You can also search for batches through your dashboard. Please navigate to the Search and Apply button and then click on Search Batches as shown in the screen. Once you have identified a batch of your choice, you may click on the Apply to the Batch button on the right-hand side. On enrollment to the batch by SSC or awarding body, you shall be notified via email. Once you have been enrolled, you can log in and update your fee details by clicking on the Add Payment Details within the Action button on the right-hand side. On approval of the batch, you shall be notified via email. You shall also receive an email in case the batch has been rescheduled or cancelled. Once you receive the email on approval of batch, you may appear for the TOT-TOA program at the assigned location. Once you have successfully completed your TOT-TOA, your mark sheets and certificate, if applicable, shall automatically be available to you on the portal. To access these, please log in and navigate to the View Batch Details section. Here you will be able to see the status of the batch. When the status has changed to Assessment Completed, the portal will also indicate whether you have passed in domain and platform assessments. You may click on the Download Marksheet and Download Certificate buttons as indicated. You will be able to download the documents after completing the feedback form. Please ensure that your pop-up blocker is disabled to download the certificates and marksheets. As indicated earlier, you will also be able to view your certificates in the View Certificates section on your dashboard. Once you have earned a certification, your name shall be displayed in the public list of trainers and assessors on Skill India portal. Additionally, you may also refer to the user manuals for step-by-step instructions on navigating the portal. We hope this video was useful. If you have any feedback for us, please email tottoa@nstcindia.org. Thank you.